See the next question, question number 21. So in a homogeneous reaction, A gives B plus C plus D. So the initial pressure was P naught, and after time T it was P. So the expression for the rate constant in terms of P naught, P and T will be. So first we need to write the equation here. A gives B plus C plus D. So initially, the initial concentration of A is A. So, and that initially the B, C, D are not formed. So, we are taken B, C, D as 0 here. So, and then after some time that A concentration changes to A minus X. So, and the concentration of B, C, D becomes increases. So, and we are putting X here. So at last we need to add all the things. So A minus X plus X plus X plus X. So we are getting A plus 2X. So next we are going to write the first order rate equation. K equal to 2.303 divided by T log of A naught divided by A. So 2.303 divided by T. So into log. So initial concentration of A is A here, small a. So that only we are entered here, A divided by, so after some time the concentration of A changes into A minus X. So divided by A minus X. So and then in the question, next we are going to change the concentration term into pressure term. So because the pressure term only given in the question. So the initial pressure is P naught. So A is directly proportional to P naught. So next after some time, what value you are getting? A plus 2x. So A plus 2x is directly proportional to the pressure. So that also given in the question. After some time the T it was a P. So A plus 2x is directly proportional to P. So A by A. So next we are going to divide equation 1 divided by 2. So A divided by A plus 2x equal to P naught divided by P. So next we are going to interchange the values. So we are getting A plus, the denominator value goes to the numerator and the numerator value comes down. So A plus 2x equal to P divided by A equal to P. So next we are going to separately we are going to write. So A divided by A plus 2x divided by A equal to P divided by P naught. So A and A are common here. So we are cancel each other. So 2x by A equal to P by P naught. So here A and A cancel means you are getting 1. So 1 is goes to that another side means the sign is changed. So we are getting minus 1. So 2x by A equal to P, so P naught, we are taking LCM here. So P minus P naught divided by P naught. So X is equal to, the 2 is goes to the next opposite side. So X is equal to P by P naught divided by 2 comes down. 2 comes down like that. A goes to that numerator. So we are getting A by 2 P minus P naught divided by P naught. So X is equal to, so next we need to multiply the A with P and P minus P naught. So we are getting PA minus P naught A divided by, so 2 into PO. So next we are going to bring that A in this side. So X in this, X to that right hand side. So A minus X. Sorry. So we are getting X here. So in the equation we are having A minus X. So we need to enter that X value in that A minus X form. So A minus X is equal to A minus, so this X value we are going to enter here. So A minus PA minus P naught A divided by 2 PO. So next we are going to LCM here equal to 2 PO A minus PA, so minus into minus plus here. So plus P naught A divided by the 2 PO. So the A minus X value equal, A minus X value is 2 P naught A minus PA plus P naught A divided by 2 PO. So next we are going to enter this A minus X value in the rate, the first order rate equation. So K is equal to 2.303 divided by T into log of A by A minus X value. What is A minus X value here? 3 into P naught A minus PA divided by 2 PO. So 2.303 divided by T log of, so A is common here. So we bring that A as common. So next we are going to cancel the A. So A and A are cancel each other. So we are getting 3 PO minus P divided by 2 PO. So we are getting K is equal to 2.303 divided by T into log of, so that denominator value goes to the numerator now. So we are getting log of 2 PO. So log of 2 PO divided by 3 PO minus P. So option A is the correct answer. So if 75% of your first order reaction was completed in 60 minutes, so 50% of the same reaction under the same condition would be completed in. So T of 75% equal to 2 into T of 50%. So T of 50% only we need. So T of 50% equal to T of 75% divided by 2. So T 75 value is 60 minutes. So 60 divided by 2. So we are getting the 30 minutes. So option B is the correct answer. So next question number 23, the half-life period. So the half-life period of the radioactive element is 140 days. So after 560 days, 1 gram of the element will be reduced to. So T cost equal to 140 days. So after 560 days, so what is that amount they are asking? So 1 gram is the initial amount. So after 140 days, so it changes into 1 by 2 gram. So after 280 days, what is that amount? So 1 by 2 divided by 2. So that is 1 by 4. So next after 140 days, after 140 means, so we need to add 280 with 140. So we are getting 420 days. So that is 1 by 8. So after 180 days, so after 140 days means, so we need to add 420 with 140. So we are getting 560 days. So we need to divide that value with 2. So we are getting final 1 by 16 days. So option D is the correct answer. So 24 and option B is the correct answer. So next 25. So after 2 hours, the radioactive substance becomes 1 by 16 of original amount. Then the half-life is 2 hours equal to 1 by 16. So first we are taking, initially we are taking as 1 gram. So after after the half-life, it changes into 1 by 2. So again the half-life, again the half period, it changes into, again the peak of it changes into 1 by 2. So next another peak of it changes into 1 by 8. So another peak of it changes into 1 by 16. So how many peak off is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 peak offs equal to 2 hours is given in the question. So peak offs equal to 2 divided by 4. So we are getting 1 by 2 hour. So 1 by 2 means half an hour. Half an hour. So half an hour means 30 minutes. So 30, option C is the correct answer.